In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Acuity scheduling to WordPress. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard of Acuity scheduling, you want to go to scheduling page here on the left, and you want to click on link here at the bottom. Now, on here, you can see there's direct links and embedding. What you want to do here is, of course, select whatever you want to add or embed. So you have like the booking button, you have the booking bar, or you have the embed other option. Now, this one is not going to work for WordPress. I'm going to show you why in a second, but you could use the booking button or the booking bar. So let me show you. So first you want to copy any of these. I'm going to copy this one, which again is unfortunately not going to work, but you'll see why. You then want to go to your page on WordPress, and you want to, of course, enable editing mode. So whenever you've done that, go to the plus button top left, and you want to type in embed. When you do this, click on Custom HTML and click on Edit HTML. If I paste in the code you were able to see over here, so the embed other one, I can click on Update, and it says the following tags are not supported on this site, which are iframe or script. Now, if you have things modified differently, then this may work for you, but for me, they're not supported. So what I'm going to do here is click on Edit Code, and I can go and add, for example, the booking bar, which in most cases should work. So if I click on Update, there we go, as you can see, the script tag is not working here either for me, but this one is going to always work. So if I copy this, the booking button, and I paste it in here, there we go. As you can see, we have the booking button over here. If I click on update, we have successfully put this in here. Okay, so we have like the schedule appointment button over here, and of course if I go into like the preview mode, I can basically use this, and I've successfully added my Acuity scheduling over here inside WordPress. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.